everyone, welcome back to Gabhinay TV. Today, samahan niyo as we explore one of the most relaxing places here in Bangkok, Lumpini Park. Hello, we are in Lumpini Park. Yay, we're gonna walk, okay? Thank you. Let's go now, okay? Kung naghahanap kayo ng fresh air, peaceful vibes, at nature experience in the middle of the city, this is the perfect place. I wanna see the crocodile and Komodo dragon.
What else?
And the birds, okay? And then go to mommy na lang in the hospital. Is the Buddha inside, okay?
Doon ka po sir, kaya mga ngangat yan.
Horse, daddy.
Oh,
The
wow,
horse.
Wow, what's this?
Yeah.
It's looking for food. Maybe he can eat the birds. Laki ng bayawak na. Masira ko. Lot of fish. Daming tilapia pala dito. Daming isda. What's that na po? See? Oh, what's that?
Yes, it's a tilapia.
Hmm.
Check this out. Ang daming fish sa pond. The water is so calm and the fish are everywhere. Very peaceful to just stand here and relax.
Dito lang itong mga tilapia nila. Mga tilapia nila yan, oh. Dito. Walang kumukuha.
Guys, look, may nakita tayong monitor lizard. These are very common here in Lumpini Park. Don't worry, they usually just mind their own business. Parang mini dinosaurs lang sila walking around. Just admire them from a distance, okay? It's not available, why?
Here. Oh, how are you? Name. You're not afraid, ah?
Daddy,
Huh?
why it has
Wow. Silip ka, oh. Silip. Silip ko ng mga mukha, oh. Silip ko. Dami pa. So, yan yung makikita natin dito sa Lumpini Park. So, where are we now? Hey, bro. This is the Lumpini Park. Oh, daming uwak din. Uwak din. Daming isda makikita. Okay ka mo? Nasiling isa ka mo? Oh, totoo. Halip oh, laki. Lo. Daming kunat. Oh, laki na. Laki na. Come on, let's go to the other side natin. Ito pa oh, dami oh. Ito po, laki-laki oh. Hindi may mga kuiba-kuiba. Hindi pa na nakatago oh. Higa mo. Just hiding the back of the tree.
Hey!
Oh, they're playing na. May uwak, daming uwak na.
Grabe, look at these big green trees. Parang nasa forest ka kahit nasa city ka
Ito,
lang.
lalaki ng mga akasya. Ano ito? Ha?
The mommy
Mami?
and daddy.
We're going there or here?
Just here, okay?
Okay. Walking siguro. Feeling.
Sparrow.
Nice, pare.
Swallow at
Yung basta yung laki yung lagi. Hulog siguro. Ah, doon sa taas. You see the birds there na ko? Hindi. There oh.
just enjoy nature. Ang sarap huminga ang fresh ng air. Walking makes you feel peaceful. Parang makakawala ng stress. Even if Bangkok is very busy, may ganitong place ka na pwedeng puntahan to relax.
Okay, so this is the Lumpini Park in Bangkok, Thailand.
Park is at the other side, okay?
And this is the biggest park in Thailand. Huh? This is the biggest park in Bangkok.
Daddy, why the Komodo dragon is made and made
Good. Oh, yeah, how about there? You're waiting there? Do not come closer, do not come closer. Hindi takot sa mga tao to. They are not afraid of the people. So mayroon ding parintahan na
Daddy, look at
parang bangka. Oh, wow, another one here. Oh, see. Grabing lami. Dito. So pinabayaan lang nila dito, mag-ikot-ikot dito. Ayun pa, natutulog sa ilalim.
Daddy, the bird cannot swim. Why the bird cannot swim, Daddy? Why?
Because it's different kind of bird.
Why the other one is
Another one here.
It's sleeping? Wow.
Oh, it's different.
Because it's tired.
It's not.
Why it has-
It's not like you. You're another one. See the other one. There. See the other one. Oh, this is Bangkok. Lakad lang papunta sa hospital yan.
How are you?
I am fine.
We went there already before when we saw that.
No,
Okay?
we're here already.
Yes. Daddy, what is that one?
It's the
The Bumi Ball.
Bumibol building. Is that what?
The Bumi Ball.
No, it's
The Bumi Ball.
what is that? What's the name of that hospital?
The Bumi Ball Hospital. It's a Bumi Ball Hospital.
Bumibol Hospital.
This one is
Are-
Bumi Ball.
Are you sure? We go there.
This is Bumi Ball, that one.
It's like Bumibol Hospital, but it's the Chulalongkorn Hospital.
And the other one.
Yeah, it's a Chulalongkorn Hospital.
What is the other one?
Hmm?
Is
It's there. The other one is Bangkok
where's the Bangkok?
National Hospital.
Where's the Bangkok National Hospital?
Wow. Make a picture in the front, not okay.
You wanna go to Mommy?
Yeah, let's go to mommy.
Oh, I'm so tired. We are done.
What you can say?
I'm so tired. We are done. I'm surrendering.
You're surrendering na?
Yes. I'm so tired.
Huh?
Daddy,
Let's go there. Let's start here.
Jumping.
Yeah, visit, what's it called? Visit Central Park. So many uwak na. Raven, so many uwak. Uwak, uwak, uwak. Okay, so ayan lang muna. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I wanna press the button
Exit
now.
na kami dyan, oh. I-exit na kami. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na.
Goodbye po. I wanna press, okay?